For a work glove that's fast to fit, get the Fastfit from Mechanix. A good fit means these are like a second skin, and because Fastfit are available in 5 sizes, they fit like a glove to keep hands protected, clean and ready for the task. 0.6mm synthetic leather across the whole palm means uncompromised dexterity of equipment, materials and tools. Ripstop, snag-resistant fabrics protect the hands from sharp edges and abrasive surfaces, with all the control you need for the job. Durable enough for prolonged protection, and thin enough for both finger and thumb touch sensitivity where you need it. And where you need more protection, there's 2mm of foam padding across your knuckles and your palm heel. They're vented, breathable and quick drying, so you're less prone to blisters and your hands keep cooler and drier, even if that is where you wipe your forehead. There's extra grip and wear resistance here. Fewer seams on the index finger, and extra protection here. They're even machine washable to clean off the sweat and grime, and available in a stack of different colours, with plenty of specialist Fastfit options too. Find them all at tj-fieldsports.co.uk. Thanks for watching.